Hello guys, if you are new to this channel, please do well to like and subscribe. I make content like this every other time. It's going to help the algorithm push out more of this content, and do well to share because I make content that educate you on side hustles to do. Thank you.
Yaji with groundnuts and some spice, some seasoning, and then spring onion with pepper. It's very nice. So this is Hausa snack. I'm sure it's from the north now. Yeah, so from the north, and it's a Hausa snack. So while we make our dish, so we're just gonna snack on this. First, let's try the two shinkafa first. So, all the blood of cheeses. It's actually hot. Yeah, very. The yam is very very nice. It goes well. So let's try our fish now. Let's try our fish. The catfish is not too done. Like it's not overcooked. It's well prepared. It has that chewy consistency. Yeah, that's very nice. The goat meat is well prepared. It's not chewy. Very nice.